My company have no SOP for the warehouse. What is the solutions here? A standard operating procedure is an important document that outlines the steps that should be followed in the specific process, such as those used in the warehouse. Without an SOP, it can be difficult to ensure that tasks are being processed completed consistently and that the employees are aware of their responsibilities. Here is a few things that you can do to create an SOP for your warehouse. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. First, identify the processes that need to be included in your SOP. This might include tasks such as receiving, storing, and shipping goods, as well as inventory management and quality control procedures. Number 2, gather input from your employee. Employees who work in the warehouse on a daily basis are likely to have valuable insight info into the most efficient way to complete the task. They also have the best understanding of the problems that arise in the warehouse and what are the solutions are working best. Number 3, document the steps for each process. Clearly and concisely describe the steps that should be followed for each process. Be sure to include information about safety procedures as well as any equipment or materials that are needed. Number 4, establish a system for monitoring and updating the SOP. Make sure that your SOP can be easily updated as needed and have a system in place for monitoring the warehouse processes to ensure that the SOP is being followed. Number 5, train your employee. Once the SOP is complete, provide training to all the employees so they can understand the procedures, their roles, and responsibilities. And the final point is review and revise. Regularly review and evaluate the SOP to ensure that it is still accurate and relevant, and make revisions as necessary. So, creating an SOP for your warehouse can take time and effort, but it will ultimately help to improve efficiency, productivity, and safety in your warehouse. That's all for my sharing in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. Have a great day and I will see you in the next video.